A cloud of suspicion has descended around the latest bond issue of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka, with accusations of insider trading being levelled. Media reports today bear testament to the above. News First delved deep into this story.
What is a bond? The website of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka defines a treasury bond as a medium and long-term debt instrument issued by the government under the Registered Stock and Securities Ordinance No. 7 of 1937 when it raises domestic public debt for budgetary purposes. In a nutshell, governments use treasury bonds to raise funds, paying interest to the holders of the bonds when they mature. In its latest bond issue, the central bank had reportedly intimated to the authorized primary dealers that it was seeking to raise 1 billion rupees. However, issuing a statement on the 6th of March, the Ministry of Policy Planning and Economic Affairs noted that on the 26th of February, at a meeting between the Minister of Higher Education, Highways and Investment Promotion, the Treasury Secretary and the Governor of the Central Bank, the Minister, Kabir Hashim, had requested urgent funding of about 15 billion rupees to recommence several highways and road projects.
Clearly, this was communicated to the Governor of the Central Bank by the Minister of Finance. At no point did the Governor of the Central Bank take any steps to let the primary dealers know that the requirement had changed from 1 billion to 10 or 15 billion. On the 27th of February, when the results were announced, the Central Bank decided to take up 10 times more than what they had indicated on the 24th of February. That is why the conscience of this country has been aroused, because there has been a significant lack of transparency on the part of the Central Bank.
The website of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka lists 16 authorized primary dealers as of October 2013. And they are Bank of Ceylon, Capital Alliance, Entrust Securities, Commercial Bank, First Capital Treasuries, Equity Securities, NatWealth Securities, NSB Fund Management, People's Bank, Sampath Bank, Ceylon Bank, Wealth Trust Securities, Pan Asia Banking Corporation, Perpetual Treasuries, HSBC and Union Bank.
When the initial announcement of a 30-year bond for 1 billion was on offer, as per normal practice, the Central Bank gives an indication, an indicative rate, and that rate was up in the region of 9.5%. Somewhat shockingly, on the 27th, public are made